Guys, I might start doing some TikTok videos and some slime videos. I'm gonna show you my slimes. So my first slime is the Secret Slime by Craft City. It smelled really bad, but I put some perfume in it. It's like this orangey mango one. I really like it. It's really smooth. On to the next one. I got this blue one. It's a volcano one. It was 3 cents in Target. It shrinks when you play with it a lot. So yeah, and it has a lot of bubbles, so that's great. Next one. The other 2 ones that I just showed you are store-bought. This one is store-bought too, so by Elmer's Glue. It smells really good. It's really stretchy. It smells like pears, and it's I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Elmer's Glue Cosmic Shimmer. It's of a galaxy and an astronaut. Yeah, and this one's store-bought. This one is store-bought too. It's supposed to be white, but it's pink because I added like these things to it, and then it apparently it was painted. The things were painted, so I added them to the slime because I didn't know that they were painted. It smells really good. It's supposed to have eggs in there, but there's the eggs over there. There's like little paints. And this one's store-bought. It's also by Craft City. And yeah. This one is store-bought too, but it's 3 different kinds. They're all the same, so I'm just going to show one. This one is the purple one. They're all really stretchy and really glittery. And the glitter gets a little bit in your hand. It's rainbow. It's made out of rainbow dreams. And it's a rainbow layer slime. And it's really pretty. There's pink, purple, and blue. And it's store-bought. This one is not, it is store-bought, but it's not slime. It's sand, but I really wanted to show you. So I put it in a ball. It's purple slime. And then I put it, and then it destroys. It's called Foam Alive. Magically comes to life because it breaks. And yeah, I just really want to show you guys. This one is store-bought, and it's the last store-bought one. This big giant. Here's my hand. Super big. And let me open this. So I opened it, and this is how it looks. It looks like a galaxy. It's really cool. But if you touch it, all the glitter goes in your hands, and it's really jiggly. I never ripped this apart. It's really jiggly. It's like alien goo. It's really sticky. I love it so much. You could just like poke it. But then you have to wash your hands after this. On to the homemade ones. And yes, I made all of these. These are the ones that I made first. This one is like a teal blue one. It looks blue, but it's teal. And same thing, I added little sequins to it, and apparently they're painted, and then it dyed it. Same thing here. I did it here, but I think I cut them out. Yeah, I did. It's kind of rippy, but really stretchy. And if you want to make one, you just get glue, some borax, and some water. You mix the water and the borax, and then you just mix it all, and then you got slime. And the borax and the slime, the borax and the water, it makes it not sticky. This one is really cool. It looks like a soap. Gradient soap. It's super cool. It's an orange and a pink because it mixed orange and pink. It's really rippy. This is the third one that I made. And also I added glue. And if you want some color to it and you don't have colored glue, just use paint. That's what I use. This one is like the same thing, but not like gradient. This one is kind of rippy, but if you go very slowly, it's very stretchy. And I like it. It's even more stretchier than that one. And I made it the same day and the same time, so it makes sense. I made it after the one that the gradient one, so yeah. The last and final slime that I just made tonight. It's this yellow one. It says it switches colors in the sun, but it's yellow right now. It looks green, but it's yellow. And if you put it in the sun, it turns red. So that's the last one. Bye!